As great as the high five, but I do not encourage high fives. Okay? Thumbs up, we got thumbs up, well done, good girl. Good luck! Now that was one confident young lady. I love
Happy?
to see.
Happy?
Yeah.
Sarap na.
If you are joining us in the future, good morning. I'll come down right to the front to say good morning to you all. Good luck as you join Shanghai Road. Don't you put those headphones on, I'm watching you. I'm watching you. A mountain. Okay, he's taking it serious. Very serious. Good morning, sir. Good night. You be good. You be good. You look very serious. You look lovely. You be careful as you join Shanghai Road. Just be mindful of everyone around you, okay? Very dramatic. I love it. This man has a GoPro on the back of his mountain bike. Now don't forget we do have our ride marshals across the entire course. You're looking out for them if you have any issues. They are wearing green and blue jerseys. Listen, ride marshals. Good morning, ride marshals.
Sarap. Tara tayo. Emirates Towers. Emirates Towers. Ganda oh. Dami. Nakakatawa eh. Pinoy eh. Baka tayo priority. Asa.
صورنا في حماية
Ikot si Bray na po pauwi. Doon ako. Yun ako. Pumapayagpag.
Kasi tansyado mo na eh. Kung may energy ka pa eh. Dito kasi pag
So, pwede mag-go.
sumagat ka, mahirap. Dahil mo kasabay oh. Ito na mo, ang bilis. Bilis. Sa ulo. Tinatag yan. Meron naman ganyan. Para nakataas no. Akyat.
Tapos may ilaw din sa tayo.
Wala forme.
Okay, Dubai. If you are passing the Museum of the Future, make sure to give your DJ Cool Cats a wave as you go past, and a big cheer. Everybody's enjoying the tunes from Untold Dubai. I'm just casually walking down Sheikh Zayed Road. If you're passing Museum of the Future on your right hand side, make sure to give us a wave. I am here with Cool Cats. Dubai, make some noise for me. I'm going to do that again. Because this is probably going to go on social media. So we need this to be too loud. Dubai.
Hi, sweetie. Kaya magpapaspas ng ulo. Si Baby. Baby na black.
Nakaka ng Hemingway.
Hindi, wala. Wala pang nakikita. Malaysia pala to. Oh. Nakatawa oh. Nag-vlog sila. Oo, alam mo, Pinoy. Malaysia pala eh. Ang galing. Kuya, laban oh. Wala sa bike yan.
Anong bike mo?
Ha?
Ay, may bag yan. Katulad kayo. Mabigat nga lang.
Oo.
Kung kulay brown. Sila kay Ann?
Hindi ko naman doon sa kabila eh. Excuse me ka pa. Laki-laki ng daan. Pabibat.
Kay Ann!
Lampas na. Financial na yun eh.
Hindi ko na pinag pala yan.
Nadistract ka doon kay kuya eh.
Oo nga eh. Hi, Burj Khalifa. Good morning. May bang tayo tumatak sa 12 kilometer, Daddy.
Asan?
Hello. Hi.
12 kilometers.
Wow, ganda ng building pag tinatamaan ng araw.
Ito na yung pababa. Hindi ko nakakita ng sumemplang nakaraan. Sa paik sa ano? Paikot.
Ako gusto ko yung pababa, yung kita mo yung nasa ano. Pupunta tayo sa kanan dati. Uwi na.
Hindi pa siguro. Mga ano,
Nanay, sila wala. Yung dalawa. Ayun, sa baba. Yung palusong.
ano yung,
Ha?
tawag na, password na. Cellphone. Diba? Ang dami dito.
Kasi yung photo area, anniversary. Kasi ito tumitigil.
Baba na. Pagbalik naman yan, paahon ka. Lusong ka muna.